In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task planner spreadsheet using Google Sheets. This guide will help you set up a monthly calendar, which can be an invaluable tool for organizing your tasks and boosting productivity. Let's dive right in. First, open up a new Google Sheets document. If you're not familiar with Google Sheets, it's a free, web-based spreadsheet program offered by Google. It's quite versatile and perfect for creating to-do lists like the one we're making today. Once you've got your sheet open, we're going to start by highlighting some cells. Click and drag to select cells B3 through B5. This will be the area where we implement some of the sheet's key functions shortly. With those cells selected, head up to the top menu and click on Format. Once the drop-down menu appears, look for Conditional Formatting. This is where the magic happens, as it allows your spreadsheet to change its visual appearance based on the data it's displaying, thereby making your tasks more visually dynamic. Now, over on the right side of your screen, you should see a Format Rules panel. Click on the drop-down list there. You'll need to choose Custom Formula Is. This option allows us to define specific conditions and changes in our sheet's appearance based on what's inside the cells. We're going to enter a special formula into this part. Type in A3 True. What this formula does is it checks if the condition is met in cell A3, and if it is, it triggers the formatting rules we're going to set. Essentially, we're telling the sheet, when these cells are marked true, make a specific visual change. Next up, it's time to choose your colors. In the Format options, select a font color. Gray is a good choice for completed tasks, as it helps differentiate them from the incomplete ones. This makes your planner easier to read at a glance. After selecting your font color, select Strike Through. This will draw a line through the text of completed tasks, giving a clear visual cue that the item is checked off and is no longer active. When you've got all your formatting details set, hit Done. This confirms your conditional formatting choices and applies them to the selected cells. Last but not least, let's test it out. Click on the checkbox in cell A3. You should see the cells adjacent to it update automatically, indicating that the task is completed. If everything's gone well, you'll see the font color change and a strike-through applied. And there you have it. You've just created a task planner in Google Sheets with custom conditional formatting. This setup will not only help you stay organized, but also gives you the satisfaction of checking items off visually as you complete them. Keep playing with different formats to adjust it to your taste and make the most out of your new planner. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore the rest of our channel for more helpful tutorials.